Hello, this is Bruce Green of Green and Moorhead Engineering with BuilderHMI 2.3. So we covered introduction and configuration via the initialization files. In this video, we're going to customize the operator screen in a very practical way. What I'm going to take you through is, let's say that you want to move the tool offsets table to another full screen HMI page, and then add a couple of navigation buttons to get you there and back. So that's what we're going to do. So you see, I've already added the tool table page, and let me show you how to do that. I'm logged in as the technician, so I have access to machine view. Now we go to the project item, and we go to project.ini, and all of these files could be edited in Visual Studio or Notepad. They're just text files, of course. But BuilderHMI includes some nice colorized text editors. And all I've done is I've added an entry to create a new page called Tool Table. And so after you do that, you're going to have to close the application down and restart. And when you do, you're going to have a tool table. So let's do this. We're going to right click and enter design mode. You can also get there with Control D, or also from machine view you can get there with this button here. So enter design mode. We're going to just delete this initial label. And then we're going to add, now all the CNC specific controls are in the add controls window here, tool window. So here we are, the tool offsets table. We're going to throw one up here. We're going to close that. So alignment is going to be a big deal. What we're going to do, so I'm using the left mouse button to move the control around the screen. I'm using the right mouse button to size the control. So I've got it sized the way I want it here. And now in terms of alignment, it's going to be in this property page here. We're going to want that control to be left aligned in the horizontal, but then in the vertical, we're going to want it to be stretched so that it will stretch to fill the main window. All right, so in addition, so we're we're done with that. In addition, we're going to add a button. I'm going to put it down here in the lower left corner or lower right corner. As far as alignment, we're going to go right and bottom. That way it'll stay down there in the right bottom right corner. And now as far as the label goes, we'll go main, and then I use the pipe character to give you additional lines of label. I'm going to highlight it. And then the command that we send is going to be critical. It's going to navigate us back to the main screen. So I could just type main.show because I know that that's the command we want. But let's say you don't know that. So there's a very powerful tool called the command list tool that shows you every possible script command in the system. We're going to go to the main HMI page in this tree, and we see that there's really only one command associated with it, and that's main.show. So this is a neat tool. You can copy it to the clipboard, and I could actually execute it right now, which would actually show the main screen. But all we want to do right now is copy it to the clipboard. We're going to close that, and then I'm going to go Control V. And that's it. So if we go back to design mode, or rather runtime mode, we can go back to the main screen. So the other half of this story is we have a tool offsets table on the main screen that we want to get rid of. So again, design mode. we simply select it. We're going to delete. Then we're going to select the actual tab control, the main tabs. We're going to go here and eliminate that tab. And then the last thing you're going to want to do, if we go back into runtime mode, you're going to see that the alarms control has kind of fallen off the tab because we've removed one of the tabs. So we're going to go into design mode and we're just going to move it. And then I'm going to actually just undo that. And moving it causes it to lock onto that tab control again. So here we go. Everything is done except for one more thing. I want to add a button, and I'm just going to put it on the manual mode tab to get to our new page. I'm going to add a button and probably do it bottom aligned. We're going to say tool table. And then again, we know what we want, but I'm just going to get to it this way. I'm going to go to the tool table, tooltable.show. We're going to copy that. We're going to paste that. And done. That gets us to our tool table. Notice we are now in manual mode, so the tool table is active. You can actually edit those tools. And then we can get back to the main screen. So there you go. A very simple customization to the main screen to move the tool table to its own full-size operator screen. The next video I'm going to show you a little more in-depth modification or customization where we create some variables and then add some controls to the screen to set and monitor those variables. This is Bruce Green, Green & Moorhead Engineering with BuilderHMI 2.3. Thanks for watching.